Most people use ChatGPT like a search engine. Here are 5 habits that will make every conversation better. Tip 1. Give it context. Tell ChatGPT your role, your goal, and the tone you want. The more it knows about your situation, the better and more specific the answer. Tip 2. Assign it a role. Start your message with "act as a marketing strategist" or "act as a lawyer." It changes the depth of the response instantly. Tip 3. Specify the format. Say, "Give me a bullet list," or "Write this as a professional email." ChatGPT will follow any format you give it every time. Tip 4. Iterate. Never accept the first draft. Say, "Make it shorter," or "Add an example." The back and forth is where ChatGPT actually gets good. Tip 5. Turn on memory. Go to Settings and enable it. ChatGPT will remember who you are, so you never have to re-explain yourself. These 5 habits will make every ChatGPT conversation better. Subscribe for more AI tips that actually make a difference.